Alright, picture this. Imagine being able to pocket an extra $100 in the next week without lifting a finger. Whether you're at work, hanging out with friends, or catching some Z's, this method will keep the cash flowing in passively. I'm about to walk you through the entire process step by step. By the time you finish watching this, you'll have all the tools you need to start making money within just 1 week. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into it. Alright, let's start by picking the right product. We'll use a website called CB Engine for this. It's like a treasure trove for finding great stuff to promote on Clickbank. If you don't know, Clickbank is where you find products to sell. CB Engine is cool because it shows you what's selling like hotcakes in real time. No need to sign up. Just go to the site and browse through different categories. Here's the deal. Click on CB New Products when you're on CB Engine. That'll show you all the latest stuff on Clickbank. Then sort it by gravity. This gives you the top selling new products. It's a big deal because you're not competing with the old timers. Instead, you're diving into fresh territory where there's less competition but big potential for earnings. If you're new and unfamiliar with Clickbank, I suggest watching the video first. The link is provided below in the description. I've explained in detail there how to choose a good product and the strategy to generate passive income with Clickbank. Now, let's check out an example to see how this works in action. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do next. I've sorted the products by gravity, and the top one on the list is called Millionaire Element. Let's click on that. When I do, it'll take me to the product page. Then, all I have to do is hit Get Affiliate Link, type in my Clickbank username, create the hop link, and voila, I've got my own unique affiliate link. This link is what we'll use to promote the product online. Whenever someone clicks on our link and makes a purchase, we earn a commission. Now, if you prefer, you can also get your affiliate link directly from Clickbank. Just log in, search for the product name, and grab your link from there. Easy peasy. Now, here's a neat trick. If we go back to the list, you can actually pick from any of the top 3 products once you've sorted them by gravity. And hey, don't wander off just yet. I've got some killer strategies coming up on how to promote these products online. Stick around because I'm about to spill the beans on the fastest way to start raking in that cash. Alright, if you're still hanging in there and finding value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button for me. Now, let's dive deeper into taking your Clickbank and affiliate marketing game to the next level, using some cutting-edge AI tools and fresh websites I've discovered in 2024. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm committed to dropping 2 to 3 videos every single week on this channel, showing you the absolute best ways to make money online in 2024. So if you want to stay in the loop and not miss out on any of this valuable content, make sure you're subscribed, join the family, and you'll get notified as soon as I drop any new gems. Thanks for all your support. Now, once you've got your hands on those affiliate links from CB Engine or Clickbank, let's move on to step number 2 in this video. Alright guys, welcome to the second step of this tutorial. Now, what I'm about to show you is how to get free traffic. But before we dive into that, let me just give you a glimpse of the potential earnings you can rake in by promoting these digital products online without lifting a finger. Take a look at this product I found on CB Engine called Millionaire Element. See that figure on the right? For every sale you make with this product, you pocket $35. And here's the best part. You don't have to deal with shipping, inventory, or customer service. The money goes straight into your account hassle-free. Now, take a peek at the different offers on CB Engine. You'll notice some products pay out even more $131 per sale, $136, $160, and the list goes on. Let that sink in. Imagine selling this product to just 10 people. That's over $11,000 lining your pockets passively with minimal effort on your part. Now, let's get into how to drive that free traffic right now. Take a look at the screen right now. We're on YouTube.com, and this platform is a game changer for your affiliate marketing business. Now, before you think about clicking away, I know what you're probably thinking. Is this guy going to tell me to start a YouTube channel, shoot videos, and be on camera like he is? Well, guess what? Not at all. I'm not here to teach you how to become a YouTube sensation. I get it, that might feel like a stretch for some of you, a bit too time-consuming. But hey, with the strategy I'm about to share, it's way simpler than that. Remember, you don't have to show your face or record your voice. None of that stuff. Like I said earlier, you don't have to do any of the work yourself. We're going to outsource this to other people. There are individuals out there who will do the work for us, and will enjoy the benefits. Alright, to make this happen, you'll want to hop over to Fiverr. It's a freelancing platform where you can find people offering services for really affordable prices, hence the name Fiverr. You can get stuff done for less than $10, which is pretty sweet. Once you're on Fiverr or a similar platform, just search for video review. You'll find a bunch of folks willing to create reviews promoting various products online. It could be digital products, physical items, or any kind of info product you've got in mind. And the best part, these freelancers will do it for a very reasonable price. So here's the game plan. We'll get these video reviews made, then upload them onto YouTube. As our videos start to gain traction and attract views, we'll have our affiliate links in the description. When people watch our video and click on those links to make a purchase, not only do we make a sale, but we'll also be profitable enough to pay back the freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. And guess what? We'll still have some extra cash left over to either reinvest or treat ourselves to some luxuries. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Hope that all makes sense. If you're still with me, hit that like button and drop a comment saying I'm on board down below. This helps me know you're following along and ready to visualize how this method will work for you today. Now, check out the list here. You'll see folks offering product reviews at various price points. Ignore the pound signs, just think of it as your local currency. Some are offering for $25, others for $40, and even as low as $10. So you've got options ranging from $10 to $40 for someone to create a product video for you. Let me click on this one to give you an example. You'll notice he offers different packages: basic, standard, and premium. But for this method, you can stick to the basic package, which ranges from $25 to $55. With this, he'll create a video promoting any Clickbank product you choose, and then you just add your affiliate link. It's that simple. Think about it. You're investing $20 to $50, getting content from these freelancers and posting it on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. When people buy the product through your link, you're making a profit. You could easily make anywhere from $200 to $500 using this method. Trust me, I've been using this method for years, and it's proven to work. Once you've found someone you want to work with, just head to their profile, drop them a message, and explain your business model and how their service will benefit you. Negotiate a good price and pay them to create a review video for the Clickbank product you're promoting. Now, let's talk about working with people on Fiverr for videos where they open stuff or review products. Do you have to buy the stuff and send it to them? Nope, not always. You can just tell them what to talk about and what's important. When you're talking about money and stuff, just be clear about what you want, how much you can pay, and ask to see some of their past work. Keep talking to them to make sure everything goes smoothly. If you work together well and say what you need clearly, you'll make something great happen. Now, let me show you a real-life case study of someone already using this method. Check out my screen. I'm in the health and fitness section of Clickbank, and one of the popular products here is PureVive. If I search PureVive review on YouTube, you'll see tons of videos popping up. These are simple videos that you can easily pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to make, and they're getting a good amount of views. The best part? You don't need a huge following to make this work. People are searching for these products online, whether it's on YouTube or Google, and stumbling upon these videos through SEO and general internet searches. Take a look at these examples. This lady has 6K views in 9 days. This one from 18 hours ago has 2K views, and even this one from 6 days ago has 6K views. They're all leveraging the power of affiliate marketing. Let me click on one to show you how it works. So, check out this review video here. It's short, just 3 minutes, but it's already getting decent views. And the most crucial part of this method is getting paid. You simply have to include your affiliate link from Clickbank in the description below. The best part, you won't get penalized for this on YouTube like you might on other platforms. It's free and fair game here. Now, when you click on the link in the description, it'll redirect you straight to the sales page of the Clickbank product. Now, here's a neat trick. Notice how all these review videos have tags attached to them on the right-hand side. If you're remaking a video or getting one done on Fiverr or Upwork, you can simply copy these tags to drive more traffic to your video. More views mean more clicks, and when people click on your link, you earn through affiliate marketing. And guess what? You can use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to see these tags and other details that help videos blow up. It's all about leveraging these free tools to make even more money with this. Alright, let's move on to the next step. By now, you've learned how to identify new products to make money with, find people to create videos for you, and drive traffic to your content. Now, it's time to bring it all together and start earning commissions. This brings me to a crucial part of the tutorial, ranking your videos. Because let's face it, if no one sees your video on YouTube, you won't make any money. It's as simple as that. You need a method to ensure your videos rank at the top. I mentioned this briefly earlier, but there are a few tools to assist you with this. TubeBuddy is fantastic. I use it all the time for AB testing on thumbnails to see which one resonates best with my audience. VidQ is another gem. It integrates AI to highlight emerging videos in your niche, aids in keyword research, and even provides coaching to optimize your YouTube channel. Both tools are powerful for this strategy. I personally use them both for various tasks, and I highly recommend you do the same when implementing this strategy. So let's take VidQ as an example. All you have to do is head over to VidQ.com. Then it's going to present you with this page, and you can simply sign up for a free account. Everything I'm showing you right here is completely free, except for you having to invest that money to pay someone to create the review videos for you. But other than that investment, all of these tools that you can see in this video are going to be 100% free for you to use. So VidQ, right? All you have to do is come over here, sign up for a brand new account. As you can see right here, it looks a little bit confusing when you first log in, but what we need to do is just go to the top right here where it says keywords, right? This is the main tool that you're going to use in order to rank your videos. So as I showed you guys, this video is doing very well on YouTube, and this keyword is doing very well for the product, right? And people are searching this on YouTube and finding it. So we're going to copy the title plus reviews, and then we're going to go back over to VidQ, and then we're going to simply paste it in the keyword. And what's going to happen from here is that VidQ is going to give us a score of how this keyword is doing, and it's going to let us know how many searches it's getting per month. So, as you can see right here, it has an overall score of 81, which is very high. So, you know this is a very good keyword, and it has a volume of 179,000 searches every single month. So, all these indicators are telling us that this keyword is a great choice. And what's even better about this platform is that it provides matching terms. For example, if the competition for the main keyword is too high, you can explore related keywords with less competition. This is what I'd target if the competition for the main keyword is too tough. So, while the search volumes are high, it's essential to ensure the competition is low. Click on these keywords, sift through them, and find the perfect one to target. Being among the first to target a keyword, along with optimized SEO and copy tags, increases your chances of ranking at the top of search results. So, you're wondering how to get more people to watch your videos? It's tough, but don't worry. There are ways to help them stand out. Ever thought about making your video title and description more interesting so more people can find them? Or maybe chatting with your fans on social media and teaming up with popular people to get the word out? There are lots of things you can try, but don't give up if things don't go your way at first. Just keep going and stay positive. When people come across your video, see positive reviews, they're more likely to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. And remember, each sale earns you a commission, like the $122 per sale in this example. With just 20 sales, you could make $2,440. It's all about the number of views you get. The more views, the higher the chances of making money. This is passive income at its finest. Just put the video out there, optimize it, and let the algorithm do the rest. It's a done-for-you strategy, minimal effort for maximum gain. And who doesn't love waking up to commissions from work done years ago? So, if you're keen on this method, follow the steps I've laid out here. It's a proven method that works time and time again. To sum it up, find good products with low competition, get someone to create a video for you, post it on YouTube, and watch the commissions roll in. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you're not done for the day, check out the video on the screen for another amazing way to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you over there. Peace.